First step, turn off the water supply valve. Better to be safe than sorry. Last step, reset the alarm. It's time to replace the water filter in our Samsung Bespoke 4-door French door refrigerator. The water filter is located in the refrigerator between the vegetable and meat drawers. The first thing you should do is turn off the water supply to the refrigerator. But this one is behind the refrig, and I'm not going to pull out the refrig. So outside I go to the house main shutoff. Here's the water supply valve. Turn the handle until it is perpendicular to the valve and water line. Next, open a faucet to relieve water pressure. Do the same with the water dispenser. To remove the old filter, turn it counterclockwise 180 degrees from the locked to unlocked position. A pair of pliers may be helpful to turn the filter. Next, remove and clean the drip tray. Reinstall the drip tray. Here's a look at the filter cartridge receptacle. The replacement filter model code is HAF-QIN. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. Remove the wrapping. Then remove the cap and check that the O-rings are properly seated. To install the new filter, insert the cartridge with the bar vertical. Then firmly press in and turn it clockwise 180 degrees until it stops and the bar is in line with the lock symbol. Turn on the water supply valve. Open a faucet to verify that water pressure has been restored. Open the refrig and check for water leaks. Next, remove and empty the water pitcher. Refill and empty the water pitcher. To flush the filter and remove any air from the water lines. Also fill a cup with water to purge air from the water dispenser line. Finally, let's reset the replace water filter alarm. Press the right or left arrows to get to settings. Press OK. Press the right arrow to water filter reset. Press OK. Press OK 3 more times. Press the right arrow for reset. Press OK. And press OK one last time.